In a world where ease of use and efficiency are essential, the new cordless pruner Bosch Home and Garden Keo stands out as a revolution in the maintenance of your garden. Imagine a tool that transforms a daunting task into an almost playful activity with just one hand. This is exactly what the Bosch Home and Garden Keo offers with its innovative design and exceptional features. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The cordless pruner Bosch Home and Garden Keo is ideal for amateur gardeners and DIY enthusiasts looking for a versatile, easy-to-handle, and effective tool to maintain their garden. Its ease of use and ability to cut through various materials make it a perfect choice for those who want quick and effortless maintenance of their green spaces. At first glance, the Bosch Home and Garden Keo captivates with its bright green color, a symbol of nature and freshness. Its ergonomic shape and light weight of only 1 kilo make it extremely comfortable to use. Even for long gardening sessions, the Bosch brand, known for its reliability and the quality of its products, ensures an unparalleled user experience. The most striking feature of the Bosch Home and Garden Keo is its ability to cut branches up to 80 mm in diameter with minimal effort. Thanks to its Swiss-made precision blade, each cut is clean and precise, providing a professional finish to your work. Swiss blade technology is renowned worldwide for its durability and exceptional sharpness, making the Bosch Home and Garden Keo ideal for trimming the toughest branches. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. The use of the Bosch Home and Garden Keo is made easier by its removable grip support. This innovation allows for gripping branches, making it possible to cut with one hand. It is a boon for gardeners who want to keep one hand free for stabilization or to handle other tools. The Bosch Home and Garden Keo is also a valuable ally for those who have difficulty using both hands simultaneously. The Keo Pruner is also distinguished by its versatility, capable of cutting wood, metal, and even plaster. It transforms into an essential tool for all your gardening and DIY projects. This versatility is made possible by a variety of interchangeable blades that you can change without tools thanks to Bosch's SDS system. The performance of the Bosch Home and Garden Keo is supported by a powerful and durable 18V Power for All battery, with the ability to make up to 115 cuts per charge with a 2.0A battery. You can work for a long time without worrying about recharging. In addition, this battery is compatible with other Bosch 18V tools, providing you with increased flexibility and convenience. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews showcasing its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Safety and comfort have not been overlooked. The low vibrations and gradual start ensure better control of the tool and comfort of use, even for beginners. The battery level indicator is a small bonus that makes managing your work easier, allowing you to know exactly when to recharge. Measuring only 7.9 cm in width, 2.8 cm in length, and 15.7 cm in height, the Bosch Home and Garden Keo is compact and easy to store. It comes in eco-friendly cardboard packaging, highlighting Bosch's commitment to sustainability and the planet. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Versatility. Capable of cutting wood, metal, and plaster. Ideal for various gardening and DIY tasks. Advantage number 2. Portability and lightness. Weighing only 1 kilo, it makes handling and transport easy. Advantage number 3. Ease of use. Designed for one-handed use thanks to the removable grip support. Advantage number 4. High-quality blades. Equipped with a Swiss precision blade that ensures clean and precise cuts. Advantage number 5. Long-lasting battery. Up to 115 cuts per charge with a 2.0Ah battery, 2.0 ampere. Advantage number 6. Interchangeable battery system compatible with other Bosch 18V tools. Advantage number 7, safety and comfort, low vibration and progressive start for better control. Advantage number 8, battery level indicator, allows for easy monitoring of remaining battery life. Advantage number 9, easy blade change, SDS system for changing blades without additional tools. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, cutting diameter limitation. May not be suitable for cutting branches larger than 90 mm in diameter. Disadvantage number 2, battery dependency. The need to recharge or have a spare battery for long working sessions. In conclusion, the cordless pruner Bosch Home and Garden Keo is a revolutionary tool designed to simplify and enhance your gardening work. Its ergonomic design, versatility, and exceptional performance make it a must-have for any gardener, whether amateur or professional. To learn more about the Bosch Home and Garden Keo and to get the best price, feel free to click on the link in the description and read the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Your garden will thank you. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.